WMT stock analysis and price predictions for Monday is Walmart stock a buy. I'm about to be breaking all this down in this quick and short 1-minute video. Now this is for next week. With Walmart, my idea was that timing was critical, you know, it was phenomenal, delivered. Now what's next? Here's the proof though. There you go. Like at the time I was sitting at $94.41. All I wanted to see is take it up to like 104 with the rules, and video was made 15th of June, so it's exactly 2 months ago. And how things are looking like is even on the lower time frame. I'm looking to buy here. Yeah, man, like basically if it doesn't pull down and doesn't give me the shift, then there's just no way that I will further look to take things up. And all I'm basically doing here is just waiting for rules to be met. So that's how Walmart is looking like. If you want to stay tuned to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. So goodbye and enjoy.